Another service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning.
Yeah, I might have a cracked window or windshield here in a minute.
Max 2 here, and again, you're hearing a lot of these tornado warnings, tornado emergencies going out.
Go ahead, go.
So we're seeing a lot of these tornado warnings again popping up. You can see all of the red boxes across all of these areas. So again, please, if you are in any of these areas, we're in Blackhawk County here, Bremer County, Butler County, Grundy County. Again, just off to the southwest here in parts of Benton County, Buchanan County, Lynn County, just to the south there in Iowa County, Johnson County, Washington County. Basically everywhere west and central portions of eastern Iowa are under a tornado warning.